There's a question posted in the community today from Nopu, and question is Nopu has two tables, product table and sales table, and end result of that Nopu wants to see is listed here. So looks like combination of store ID and product ID makes a primary key for this table. And we can join these two columns with store ID and product ID here. And then what Nopu wants is it should show store and product for which there is no sales as this line null. So there's a way to do this in Encarta. Let me show you how to do this. So I've loaded data for this table and this table in Encarta, and it shows here product and sales. And all you need to do is create a join. Let me remove this join between these two tables. So let's go ahead and create a join. So sales is going to be child table, then product ID, and then with product ID, and then let's join it using store ID as well. Let's save it. So once you have this join, it's pretty easy to design table which is going to show data like this shown here in the result. So let's go ahead and do that. So from parent table, which is product, let me just drag and drop store ID, product ID and name, and then we want to sum quantity. Okay, so here you go, we have this here. Now let's change this to aggregated table. We have only two lines. Now we also want to show store ID and product ID for which there is no sales in the sales table. All you need to do to enable that is just click on show empty groups here, as well as for this one, right? And I don't think this will make any difference. Only thing it'll do is just show the name of the product, and let's save it. So this is kind of similar of what you see here, and I think there's a setting which can allow you to repeat this value. Let me see. So this one is not repeated here, but it's repeated here, right? So there's a new setting in Encarta in 4.9 where you can just uncheck this, and now it is showing like this. So this is exactly same as what you see here. In spite of null, it's showing dash, but otherwise this is exactly same as what you see here. 1122 1212 name